evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tennis Samurai back here with another tech review. So today we're going to be looking at the Lightning Digital AV adapter. So basically what this little thing does is it airplays your phone or Apple device onto an HD TV or a projector. You plug one end into your Apple device, your iPad, iPhone, iPod, and the other end into an HDMI to HDMI cable, which you can plug into your projector or HD TV. So before we actually fire up the TV and start airplaying, I want to make this clear. Aspect ratios. So iPads have a 4:3 aspect ratio, which means the ratio of the iPad's length and width is 4:3, and the iPhone's aspect ratio is 16:9. And most HD TV or projectors aspect ratio is 16:9 too. So we'll encounter that problem later, but let's carry on. So guys, here I have the iPad hooked up with the projector, and I think this adapter is way better than the Apple TV because of that 1080p instant lightning fast projection speed, unlike the Apple TV's really nasty lag, and it has that 60 frames per second really responsive like frame rate, and then you can play any games on it on the big screen, which is really awesome in my opinion. So as you can see, the aspect ratio on the screen it's kind of weird, it doesn't fit the whole entire screen. That's because the aspect ratio is 4:3 on the iPad. But if you go into YouTube, watch a video, this is one of mine. Oops. It expanded onto full 16:9. Let me go to home screen right now, and dang, now it's 4:3. So HD videos are just as great as you would see on any other phone or anything. And if you want to play games, Clash of Clans, it's just really awesome to have it on the big screen. So yeah, let's switch it back to my phone. Hey Siri. Oh, whoopsies. And one thing to mention, if you look on the right top corner, don't know if you can see it, my iPad is charging because I plugged the charging cable into the lightning port, so you can charge and AirPlay at the same time, which is really nice. And if you want to just like have that keynote presentation, just open it up and boom, you can draw on it. Hi. So yeah, let's switch to my phone. Right now, and the aspect ratio is 16:9, and this is kind of full screen if you have a HD TV, or I'm using a projector, so this is a Clash of Clans, and just this nice full screen thing that's really pleasant. And if you want to like view videos, this, so you can see, I'll go to YouTube, and whoa, no, I don't want to watch this video. So yeah, there's some other people's video on this. Let me go to my own channel, show you guys a video so I won't get copyrighted. It's just really nice to have that nice crispy like full screen video. See, the audio synced really fast, no lag, absolutely. As you can see, I'm on Amazon right now, and you can buy this adapter for $43.37, and that is a pretty pricey price for just an adapter, and it doesn't comes with the HDMI cable. If you don't have one already, you have to get another one, which I think adds up to $50. And that's still half the price of an Apple TV. I mean, if you have the adapter, you don't really need an Apple TV because you can like AirPlay all of your content on your phone onto the big screen. So as you can see, there's some bad reviews on this product, but that is all not true. Trust me, this adapter is very decent. And that is it, guys. This is my review on the Lightning Digital AV adapter, which you can get on Amazon or any store for $43.37. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time.